All right. Hey everybody, Dean here, NSB Custom Cars. We're back on the Grand Prix. Pretty much don't have a whole lot to do. We had shocks to put on in the rear, which they came in. We already got them put on. I'll show them to you in just a second. And the other job that we're doing is repainting the wheels. We ordered a kit online that tapes up everything as far as all the spokes. And that's what we're right in the middle of. So we can come check this out. So on these tires, first thing we did, we paint them silver. The kit comes with 2 cans of silver and then 1 dark gray that goes in the center. Also comes with a page. It's got all these stickers that look like this that comes off of it. It's supposed to be enough to do 5 wheels, that's counting the one in the trunk. But the machine didn't cut this all the way on one side, but we don't have a spare tire anyway. So I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4 on. Turn this around here. Put this last one on the way I've been doing them. I come down and get the 2 bottom corners in. They're not too bad to stick on. Another thing that I made, I took a piece of plastic and made me a ring that fits right in this wheel. 2 or 3 pop rivets on it, and that way now I can paint inside here and not get any dark on the outside. I'm getting all my center and my lug nuts done first. Got my heat gun, going to do a little flash on it. Then you just come back and peel your tape off. And there they are. Put the beauty ring back on it. We're going to put our valve stem back in here and back up. Right now I'm going to hang it back on the car to dry. Another thing, before we painted it, these had weights on them, so we put a little bitty mark on the tire where the weight goes, so we want to balance the tire. Push down, hold down right there. We didn't do it.
Shiny.
So there it is. We got all the wheels finished, put back on the car. Looking really nice. Come back here, look at the back one. Here, let's walk around, see what the other side looks like here. We got this one here. And then this one. Take another look at the motor. We got her all finished up. All we got to do is wait for this one part for the AC, and then this car is finished. So that's going to pretty much wind this up. The car is pretty much complete, other than I'm waiting on one part from Vintage Air that I'm going to have to order and get in here. So as soon as I get it in, put it back in the car. It shouldn't take me that long. It's a pain getting underneath that dash, but I know where everything goes. It won't be that bad. Hopefully that takes care of the problem. But until next time, don't forget to like us, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.